How to perform the PIPA bias test. You may be encountering at some point a checklist which tells you to do a PIPA bias test, or are encountering some strange anomalies with your burn residuals. This is no problem at all. The first step in the PIPA bias test is to get an event timer set up. Stop and reset, and then make sure your spacecraft is holding less than 0.1 degree per second of rate. Simply rate low, deadband minimum, limit cycle off, Bmegs, attitude 1, rate 2, and spacecraft control to SCS. Now insert verb 25, noun 21, enter, followed by 3 more enters, 1, 2, 3. Now start the clock. Key in verb 16, noun 21 to see the PIPA counts. After 4 minutes and 16 seconds, the PIPA's bias will be displayed. This is the general error that the PIPAs have in X, Y, and Z axes. This number should be recorded and reported to Houston. If nothing at all, then the PIPAs are in tip-top shape and the spacecraft can perform a perfectly accurate burn. After 4 minutes and 16 seconds, freeze the display, write these numbers down, and report to Houston. Follow it up with verb 37, enter, 00, enter. Thanks for watching.